Welcome to Lumacasa Studio. Imagine a home where the earth itself becomes your greatest comfort, wrapping every room in peaceful warmth during winter and gentle coolness through summer. Hidden within the landscape, this extraordinary residence proves that luxury doesn't always rise above the ground. It can quietly thrive beneath it. Today, we'll discover how thoughtful architecture and geothermal design create a timeless sanctuary that feels beautifully connected to nature. Rather than dominating the landscape, this earth-sheltered home gently disappears into it. Rolling hills naturally embrace the structure, creating a seamless relationship between architecture and nature. Soft native grasses, stone pathways, and carefully preserved trees allow the home to feel as though it has always belonged here. When designing your own landscape, blending local plants with natural terrain creates a timeless appearance that never feels forced. As you approach, sunlight dances across textured stone walls, while warm cedar accents soften the modern architecture. The entrance feels protected yet inviting, offering a peaceful transition from the outside world. Large pivot doors framed with natural materials instantly establish warmth before stepping inside. Combining wood, stone, and subtle outdoor lighting is an easy way to create an entrance that feels elegant without becoming overwhelming. Inside, expansive glass walls transform the living room into a calm retreat where daylight becomes the main decorative element. The earth surrounding the home naturally regulates temperature, making the atmosphere feel consistently comfortable throughout the seasons. Soft linen sofas, textured wool rugs, and warm neutral tones create layers of comfort. Decorating with varied natural textures adds depth, while allowing the peaceful surroundings to remain the true centerpiece. The kitchen balances modern simplicity with enduring warmth. Oak cabinetry, handcrafted stone countertops, and open shelving display beautiful ceramics collected over time rather than clutter. Skylights invite sunshine deep into the heart of the home, reducing the need for artificial lighting. Keeping countertops uncluttered while displaying only meaningful pieces creates a kitchen that feels both functional and deeply personal. bedrooms embrace tranquility through earthy colors, gentle fabrics, and carefully framed landscape views. Thick insulated walls naturally reduce outside noise, creating remarkable peace for restful sleep. Layering crisp white bedding with soft knitted throws and textured cushions makes every evening feel like a luxurious escape. Sometimes true luxury isn't found in expensive furniture, but in creating an atmosphere that allows both body and mind to fully relax. Natural stone, warm wood vanities, and soft indirect lighting transform the bathrooms into personal wellness retreats. Large windows carefully frame private garden views, allowing changing seasons to become living artwork. Geothermal heating quietly maintains comfortable floor temperatures beneath your feet, adding invisible luxury every day. Introducing plants, organic textures, and warm lighting instantly creates a calming spa atmosphere in almost any bathroom. Perhaps the home's greatest masterpiece is the one you never actually see. Beneath the landscape, geothermal systems quietly exchange energy with the earth, providing efficient heating and cooling while reducing environmental impact. This hidden technology reminds us that great design isn't only about appearances. The most remarkable homes combine beauty with intelligent systems that improve everyday comfort for years to come. Outside, sheltered courtyards blur the boundary between architecture and landscape. Comfortable seating areas, native gardens, and reflective water features invite slow mornings and peaceful evenings surrounded by birdsong and gentle breezes. Low-maintenance perennial plants create year-round beauty while requiring less care over time. Every outdoor space feels like a natural extension of the home's quiet philosophy, encouraging moments of reflection and meaningful connection. As our journey comes to an end, this remarkable earth-sheltered residence reminds us that the future of home design doesn't have to compete with nature. It can quietly collaborate with it. Through geothermal innovation, timeless materials, and thoughtful architecture, every room becomes a place of comfort, sustainability, and lasting beauty. Perhaps the greatest luxury isn't simply living in a beautiful home, but living in one that works in harmony with the earth itself. If this inspiring home sparked new ideas for your own dream space, be sure to like this video, subscribe to Lumacasa Studio, and join us for more beautiful architectural journeys where thoughtful design, cozy living, and timeless inspiration come together.